up here rambling to you guys, but here's the latest. We do have that rain that's pushing off to the south and the east. We no longer have that severe weather threat. The front actually still has to pass through. Actually, we have a secondary front that's behind this, so you will feel some cooler temperatures on the way tomorrow. We still have some rain that's hanging on around Lake Wales, but it's not severe warned, so that's great. A couple downpours out there, though. They are isolated. Everywhere else pretty dry, but look at these rainfall totals. We've had close to 3 inches. This is from the past 24 hours, but obviously the bulk of our rain has been within this afternoon, that time slot from, well, things really started to get going around 4 o'clock, I believe, is when we had our first tornado warning. But yeah, that rain just coming down and those juicy downpours. Again, around Tampa, about 2.5 inches, close to St. Pete, just north of it, about 2.5. Hudson, north of that, just off the coast, clicked around there, close to 3 inches. So wind gusts, also very impressive. We've had a couple of wind reports. You see our gusts, 47-mile-per-hour gusts in Clearwater, St. Pete, 37-mile-per-hour gusts recorded today. Sarasota, 44-mile-per-hour gusts, 36 in Zephyr Hills. By the way, Zephyr Hills was one of those areas where funnel cloud was spotted. And we did have some tornado, actually we had 6 tornado warnings altogether today, and that's not including those warnings as they were extended, that polygon which extended to cover more areas. All right, forecasted winds. I want to get into this because tomorrow will still be breezy. It's not going to be severe weather, but basically as the remainder of that front passes through, you can still expect those breezy winds. We'll have winds about 25 miles per hour at times, so it's gusts. Down by Venice, you could have a 30-mile-per-hour gust as well as Clearwater. So yeah, that's 7 o'clock in the morning. As you move into the afternoon, things stay breezy. Look for winds. You will feel winds 25 to 30 miles per hour for those gusts. Sustained speeds about 15 to 25 miles per hour. So again, those gusts will come and go, but the winds, they stay sustained at a pretty high speed. As we move into futurecasts, we will have a few clouds that we're waking up to tomorrow around Polk County, south of that, Highlands County. Those clouds will mix out for beautiful sunshine in time for St. Patrick's Day. Here we are, paused at 10 a.m. Again, those winds blowing in from the northwest. Clouds make a nice exit. Sunshine just fills the sky, and we're on our way to a beautiful afternoon. For right now, temperatures are still in the upper 60s, so still pretty mild out there. We still have some 70s holding on, 11 o'clock at night. So again, that main front didn't pass through yet. About a 5-degree difference though. Remember last night? Last night was pretty mild, even this morning, muggy ahead of that stormy system. That's kind of when you get that feel, oh yeah, today's going to be an active weather day because the atmosphere is just primed. It's just filled with moisture and ready to wring itself out. All right, for tonight, 58 for the overnight low, but we're not really hitting that until sunrise tomorrow morning. And again, that's as all that colder air from the northwest begins to settle in. For your St. Patrick's Day, call it the luck of the Irish. We're drying out nicely here. It will be cooler, but we're getting lucky with all that golden sunshine. On your 7-day forecast, spring begins on Thursday. We do have a couple clouds that day and a low-end rain chance. Otherwise, a lot of sunshine to enjoy this week. Tuesday.